Let's take a couple of challenges for the logical operators. The first one is I would like to read 3 integers for information about the classrooms. Let's name them NB for the number of boys, NG for the number of girls, and NT for the number of teachers. I would like to prepare an expression, a Boolean expression for every of this statement. For example, an expression for number of boys are greater than or equal or greater than 25. Here, for example, either a number of boys less than 60 or a number of girls is less than 70, and so on. Read every expression here, understand the human semantic of it, and then convert it to some one line of code and compare your answer with my answer. The second task is I would like you to take all of this expression one by one and try to simplify them step by step to come up with the final conclusion, and again compare your result with my result. That's all.